Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another useful tutorial video for PC. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix USB device not recognized by the Windows. So let's fix the problem. So there are a couple of ways you can fix it. I'm going to show you step by step. Just follow my step. First of all, go to your search option or here search Windows PowerShell. You can see this option, Windows PowerShell. Right click it here and click run as administrator. Just click here and just click yes again. And now you can see this here where you need to type a prompt. Type this carefully, msdt.exe space dash id space device diagnostic, and click enter here, and it will troubleshoot your device to solve the problem. And just to close this is one way. Now go to select the start, right click here and go to device manager here. And now in here you can see the universal serial bus controller expanded. Here you can see USB root hub. Just right click this one and select update driver here, and just select search automatically for the drivers. It will automatically search for the base driver and updated driver for your PC. Now close, and now again do the same thing here, the composite driver, update driver, and search automatically for the device, and then close it. And for the last step, again right click here and go to your search option here and search power and sleep settings. Here you can see the power and sleep settings. Go there, and here go to additional power settings. Here related on the related settings, go there, and here go to choose when to turn off the PC. Here go here and go to change advanced power settings, and here you can see the option USB settings. Expand it again, expand USB here, and here you can see as I'm using my laptop on battery on flat or on plug-in. But if you are using the desktop version, just for the PC, just disable both of these, and click to apply and OK. And for the last step, just restart your PC, and I think your problem will be solved if you follow those 3 steps. And this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel. I will see you guys on the next video.